Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar chapter 6 possessions. Now, what we have to do, look here. Let's do. See the picture of a farm below. Over here, what it says, we have to look at the picture of the farm which is given below. Now, you can see a man. What he is doing? Man is plowing, right? So, a man photo is there. Woman, a boy with a cat on his lap, cow and calf, hen, and a little dog. We have to we looked at the picture what activity each and everyone is doing. Now we will look at the exercise. Match the following to describe who owns what in the picture. Who owns, किसका क्या है वो पिक्चर में हमें डिस्क्राइब करना और देखना है. सो फर्स्ट वन, द मैन्स प्लाव. द मैन क्या कर रहा है? द प्लाव. द मैन इज the man plow. See here you can see a man is there and what he's doing is plowing. So man's plow. Man's plow. Then the second is what? The woman's. Woman is what the woman is having? The woman is having a basket. So the woman basket. The boy's cat. Over here you can see the boy's cat. See the boy picture is there and he's having a cat in his hand. Boy in his lap. Boy's cat. Hen's egg. You can see a hen is sitting on her egg. So hen's egg. Cow's calf. Cow's calf. See over here you can see a cow and a calf. So it is cow's calf. Now what the dog is doing? The dog is having bone in his mouth. So dogs, what will you say? Dog, bone. So here you can see, here the man has man, woman, boy, cow, hen, dog, everybody is doing their own activity. What they are doing? Their own activity. So over here we have done the matching and over here you can do the matching like this also. First is what? The man's plow. So first C, then the woman's basket. So 2D, the boy's cat. So 3B, the hen's egg. So 2A, 4A, the cow's calf. So fifth F, and the sixth one is what? The dog's bones. So sixth E. So like this also matching you can do. You have seen over here that the man, what the man is doing? The man is plowing. What the woman is having in her hand? It is a basket. Woman's basket. Now we'll go to the next page. Over here. Match the animals with the sounds they make. Write down. The first one has been done for you. Over here animals are given. Over here sounds are given. हमें मैचिंग करना है एनिमल के साउंड के. फर्स्ट किया हुआ है. बेयर इज व्हाट? ग्राउल. देन द जैकल इज व्हाट? हाउल. सो जैकल, हाउल. द camel, what the camel does? The camel grunt. The camel grunt. Ducks quack. Owls hoot. Bees buzz. Cricketer chirp. So this exercise we have to do matching of animals with their sound. Now we'll go to the next page. Let's practice. Use of to change the following words with apostrophe s. One has been done for you. Over here what we have to do? Here the question is this. We have to change it and use the of to change the following words. Now we'll look the first one. The engine's noise. So what is the first? The noise of the engine. What we have done? The last one we have brought it in for the second word. The engine's noise was the sentence, right? So what we did over here, the noise of the engine, the light's brightness. So the brightness of the light, the light brightness, the brightness of the light, the flower's beauty. So the beauty of the flower. What we've done, beauty we have taken as a in front after the, and then we've written the beauty of the flower. The boxer's strength, the strength of the boxer. The children's clothes, the clothes of the children. The pianos, the plane's size. So the size of the plane. China's Great Wall, the Great Wall of the China. We'll read all the sentences again. The engine's noise, the noise of the engine. The light's brightness, the brightness of the light. The flower's beauty, the beauty of the flower. The boxer's strength, the strength of the boxer. The children's clothes, the children of the clothes of the children, the clothes of the children. The plane's size, the size of the plane. China's Great Wall, the Great Wall of the China. Now we'll do the next exercise. Now use apostrophe s to change the following. Now over here what is given? We have to use apostrophe s. In the first it was what? Apostrophe s was given. We have to use of. Now over here what we have to do? Use apostrophe s, change the following. The shoes of the girl. So what we'll write? The girl's shoes. The taste of the ice cream. The ice cream taste. The nest of the bird. The bird's nest. The bank of the river's bank. The color of the earth's color. The windows of the room's window. The softness of the cushion softness. So here you can see everywhere apostrophe s we have added, right? Over here everywhere we have added apostrophe s because we have to make that sentences. In the first we had to use of, so we had written of in each and every sentences, right? Now we'll go to the next sentence. Rewrite the sentence using apostrophe s with the words in bold. One has been done for you. Example is given how to do. The keys of the laptop are old. So what will you write? The laptop's keys are old. Just like that only you have to write this much only. The sisters of Ramanuj are very intelligent. So what will you write? Ramanuj's sisters are very intelligent. Ramanuj's sisters are very intelligent. Understood, children? This way we have to do this exercise. We have to add apostrophe s or we have to add o. We have to use of. Now we'll go to the next page. This is the room of my grandmother. You can see here in black it is given bold. So what will you write? This is my grandmother's room. Over here apostrophe s we have add. So what it becomes? This is my grandmother's room. We love to see the beauty of the mountain. So how will you write after changing? We love to see the mountain's beauty. Over here the first is what written? We love to see the beauty of the mountain. And in the second what we wrote? We love to see the mountain's beauty. Apostrophe s we have add over here. Then sixth one. There is a large black spot on the tail of the dog. Now the tail of the dog we have to write in a proper way. There is a large black spot. See, this sentence I've written the same only. There is a large black spot on the dog's tail. What I've written? Dog's tail. See, here you can see. Here you can see. The tail of the dog is there. But after adding apostrophe s over here, what it becomes? On the dog's tail. She looked inside the engine of the car. So, what is the answer? She looked inside the car's engine. What happened over here? She looked inside. Over here, she is looking inside the car's engine. What she's looking inside? The car's engine. The car's engine. So, dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Please write this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. You have to complete this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Where will you write? In the grammar textbook. You will not write in the notebook. You have to write in the grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.